Hello, good morning students. Please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is SSC previous year dictation exercise number 8 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Chairman, Sir, I congratulate the mover of this resolution for bringing this matter into focus and for drawing the attention of members to it. It is the need of the hour for all of us to think seriously as to how we can solve the problem of power in the country. I am glad to know that the honorable members have brought all the issues before this House for discussion. I wish to state here that we could have completed this discussion yesterday itself, but we could not do so because of various reasons. In the morning also, I was apprehensive whether we would be in a position to complete this important discussion of vital importance today itself. Now, I am not going to take more time of the House to put forth my views. I will place my case before you in as short a time as possible. This subject, in fact, is highly technical. Even I had to study the subject as a student. We in the government do recognize that the country is faced with the problem of power and energy shortage. It is important to assess at this juncture as to how we started our journey in this regard. What was our capacity then and what is our capacity now? It is not at all comparable with the developed countries of the world. At the same time, it is not a mean achievement. Some members have pointed out many things. I am not going to go through all the points raised by the honorable members due to paucity of time. They have appreciated many things. One of the things that they have pointed out is that the subject of power is in the concurrent list. I would like to say that I am not running away from my responsibility. I would like to set the record straight that power generation, power transmission, and power distribution was done by the states and the state electricity boards. It was only in the 70s that the central government stepped in. Now the center is generating to an extent of 1/3 requirement of the country, as the distribution is totally in the hands of the states and the state electricity boards. The transmission was also in the hands of the states for quite some time. Now the center has taken it over. Now the job is being done by the power grids. The total network of our power in the country is at the distribution level. Many honorable members have pointed out about this issue in this very house. The main problem is that whatever is being generated is not reaching the consumer. I am sorry to say that no steps have been taken to augment or to strengthen and modernize the sector. The result has been that the loss is very huge. It is almost 50%. It is an alarming thing. The Central Electricity Act was also a cause for it. This is the position. In order to improve the situation, a number of schemes have been drawn up by the central government. I would put it as the new one. Many states have utilized this opportunity. The net result was that because of this setup and other related problems, the arrears of the electricity boards happened to be of a very tall order. Sir, I now come to one other important aspect. This issue cannot be taken very lightly. In fact, a very little attention has been paid to this aspect. If the government is kind enough to follow this, I am sure they cannot control the prices. I plead with the Honorable Minister to look into these facts. This is a request coming from the government of Kerala as well as the people of Kerala. Cold storage is the biggest philosophy which is being followed all over the world except in India. No doubt it needs money. If there is a shortage of fund, the government can take the World Bank loan or United Nations Food Development Assistance. There are states which grow a lot of vegetables. There are states which do not grow these vegetables. So, the government can very well organize interstate export. The government should give top priority to cold storage. Nobody has applied its mind to it till today. Therefore, instead of unnecessarily finding fault with each other, let us be constructive, practical, and positive in solving this problem. So, my suggestion would be the export import policy should be made systematic and rationalized. There should be coordination between the Food Ministry, Finance Ministry, and also the Prime Minister. I could see in some imported items there is a close coordination in deciding the import duty to be levied. The cold storages should be given top priority.